Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Enrico and everyone else! Woo! Booster, kinda tiny nag-live because we're kinda far.
Happy New Year, Kiss! 2025! Yan o, 4 minutes na baboy na 2024! Mali kami tayo.
4 minutes?
2025 na, malapit na mga English mo ba?
Y'all! 4 minutes until 2025!
Hindi, 2025 tayo, no?
Huh?
Ah, 3 minutes going down, man. Tapos yung fireworks display, makikita natin dito.
Woo! Woo!
Okay, 2 minutes and counting down, guys.
Here we go!
2 minutes and 2 minutes and counting, guys. And it's 2025. Here we go. Okay. So we can only look from here. There. Whenever we hear that laptop, palabas sa Quezon
My camera is poopy, guys. Sorry.
Sa Quezon City, ano tawag dito? Then, nakita namin dito live, ayan, no? Sa bintana namin. So, Happy New Year! Happy
Woo! Sorry, guys.
It's counting down, guys! Here we go! There we go, Rose. It's the countdown. Yeah! There the moment! Mag-ibig na ito.
2 and 50 seconds.
Yun na! Happy New Year, mahal ko! Happy New Year again! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
In advance, 2 minutes pa.
Goodbye,
The
2024.
city is bustling with firecrackers and fireworks
Yeah, and fire trucks.
happening here, man. But we can only get the best from here.
These are the most ones.
Since we can't really go down anymore, it's
Guys.
bawal.
My camera is so trash.
So, anak, baka malaglag yung tablet mo. We can only get a video of what's going on around here from this window.
Ooh.
And as you see, the city is bustling with fireworks. Everything's like booming and, exploding, man.
Yeah.
Happy New Year! Woo!
Woo!
Happy 2025! Bye-bye 2024. We really love you.
Woo!
Farewell 2024.
Woo! Bro, Enrico, this is sick.
Sa lahat na nag-New Year ngayon, sana magmahal kayo.
Enrico, I hope you're in QC so you can see this, bro.
Mahal yung misis.
Woo!
Kahit kesa.
Woo!
Kahit kesa na kahit
Woo! Woo!
kaya mas maganda
Woo!
Okay, 1 minute and counting down, guys.
1 minute. Goodbye, 2024.
Alright, 2024 we know we're gonna miss. And grabe, ang dami namin memories sa 2024 since. Sa 2024 kami nagkaroon ng silver lining, nagbago buhay namin. Lalo kami naging solid ng pamilya ko.
Goodbye, 2024.
Sana itong 2025 na to magsilbing mas magandang aral sa amin at maging mas malapit kami sa Panginoon.
Bro, Dad, tag me on Facebook.
So, ano masasabi mo, Mahal? Ano masasabi mo, Mahal ko? Ang dami nun, ah. Hindi ka maulitin yan, ah.
Woo!
Yo, yan na lang. Teka, yan na lang. 36, 35, 34,
3, 2, 1.
32, 30, na.
Here we go. There we go. It's 1 January for me.
Woo!
It's January 1 here.
Happy New Year! Grabe dito!
Woo!
Ang daming fireworks! Grabe!
Time to get the big boy.
Kita mo! Dali! Akin yan! Akin yan! Akin yan! Akin yan! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's so much. Now we're there we go. That's a Quezon City Circle with ABS-CBN. All in one thing, man. Look at that. Wow! They're recording. Woo! It's the real deal. Grabe, ganda. Woo! This is the real deal, man. Woo! Everything all exploding in one time. Woo! Everyone is just going in. Woo! Come on, next one. Fire trumpet bell. Woo! That's the only thing we got, boys. Happy New Year! Grabe, ang ganda dito. Woo! Look at that. I love the Philippines! I'm your friend!
Oh my God! Woo!
Everybody friend! I love you! I'm your friend! Everybody friend! Grabe dito! Wild na wild! Patay mo kaya man. May alien pa ako yun. Nasa gitna. There's an alien disco. Feliz Navidad!
Senyoridad!
Feliz Navidad! Grabe, grabe dito. Wild dito mga kaibigan. Wild! Sabay-sabay po yung putukan, oh. Mamamatay lahat pero ang pagkabak hindi! Tuloy-tuloy po kami dito, oh my God! Nabuhay Pilipinas! Yun o, ABS-CBN, yun o. ABS-CBN, tingnan nyo naman, tingnan nyo, grabe, sabay-sabay, my God! Ang ganda, what a sight to see! This is one sight to see! Masarap talaga pumutok! Pinagpukan talaga! Wow! Grabe naman dyan! I'm your friend! You're my friend!
Happy 2025! Wow! Okay, but
Hindi mo tapos yan, 1 hour yan, oy.
Nah, bro!
That's 1
I'm
hour.
holding my phone for like this!
Look at that. Okay, well, you know, there's nothing more you could say.
Sad for me
There's
because my
nothing more.
camera is poo-poo!
Whenever you see the world like this, celebrating the new year, you'd only feel euphoric, you know. Everything's like celebrating, thinking the year that's ended and embracing the Wow! Grabe! Grabe! Ganda! City Circle talaga. Wow! Grabe! It's in unison! Unison, man! I can't believe it! It's going on! I love the world! I love the world! I love the world! Happy New Year, family ko! Hindi mo kami nakapunta sa inyo. Dahil nga sa Happy New Year, Belen! Everybody, God bless. God bless the world. God bless Filipinos. Hoy! Ayun na! What was that? Oh my God! There are 2 things that's going on around here.
What is Kimberly Sigma is going on?
Ganda, di ba? Grabe. Yun yung pinakainit. Yan yung malalakas. Boom! Yan yung pinaka-highlight nila.
Wow! Yay! Goodbye 2024! Hello 25!
Dito naman. Is there anything here?
Yay! Boom!
Hello, dami, oh. Woo! Happy New Year, Quezon City! Quezon City!
Woo!
Grabe naman.
Woo!
Grabe dito. Grabe.
Woo! Woo!
Diba? Happy na.
That building is going crazy over there. Woo!
Bye-bye.
Woo!
Welcome 2025. Wow, one more! There's still more here. Look at them. It's never gonna end here, man. Everything is just here. My God, all the showcase, hindi na matatapos yung fireworks. Okay, guys. Alam na tayo. Okay, guys.
My hands are
Right now.
hurt, guys.
Right now.
Bye, Enrico. Bye.